Hi, this is Mr. Capoletti. What I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate reflecting over a line that's not horizontal or vertical. So I'm going to work on number 3 here. We want to reflect this shape over this line. So essentially this is flipping over the line. So it's actually a lot easier to reflect the points individually. Something I've noticed also that may be helpful is if you turn your reflection line so it is horizontal, and then, because I know a lot of us like to just reflect down or across a line. So if I take this point here, and I want to have it so it's the same distance to the line of reflection. So I'm going to go, it's one diagonal across, so I'm going to go one more diagonal, so that point is reflected. This point is 1, 2 and a half, 1, 2, that point's reflected. This point here, 1, 2 diagonals, 1, 2 diagonals. I can start to form my shape. Over here I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Take this point, 1, 2 and a half, 1, 2. This point here, 1, 1. And there you have it. My shape is reflected. If I were to fold on this line of reflection, this shape should match up with that shape.